welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Crystal. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day, and thank you so much for joining me today to organize or attempt to organize my son's dresser drawers. I am starting to move everything that is his from downstairs upstairs, since he is now staying in his nursery for all of his naps as well as his overnight sleeps. So I'm going to go ahead and try and organize his drawers as best I can. But I will say this, I do not do the KonMari folding. I think it looks great and everybody raves about it, but I just don't think I'm going to get into that kind of folding. The way I fold his clothes now works very well for me. So let's go ahead and get started. What you doing in there? Here's my little man. Yes, Peanut. You having fun? Are you getting tired? You ready for your first nap? I think you are ready for your first nap. Alright, so if you guys have seen my previous videos, then you know that this is something I have been talking about doing for a while now. I think for at least the last 4 videos that I've uploaded, I have mentioned moving his stuff from downstairs up to his nursery, and I'm finally starting that today. So hopefully you guys get some good organization motivation out of this video, and I hope you guys love Jacob's nursery as much as I do. So this is Jacob's dresser. Now everything on this side is all full of clothing that he's already outgrown, and this side right here has clothing that he is just about to grow into. I have a few 18-month-old things over here, and then I believe these bottom 2 drawers are empty. But I also have this long, well, this tall dresser right here that I'm thinking of moving all of his clothing that he's already outgrown. I think I'm going to move it into these drawers and free up this one for all of the things that he uses on a daily basis. What's the matter, my boy? You see the camera? Look at the camera. You see the camera? Yes. You better, can you go in the crib now? Can you go in your crib now? Let's see. Hold on. Hold on. Look at you. Look at my boy. Look at you standing up. Oh, you want to come to Mama instead? You want to come to Mama? Oh, butter. Can mommy do your bedroom? Are you being a silly boy for the camera? Are you being a silly boy for the camera? Yes, you are. I see you being a silly boy. I see you being a silly boy. Yeah. You're being silly for the camera. Is that what you're doing? Yeah. Oh, you silly bug. Can you sit down? Can you sit down? Can you sit down? Can you sit down? Oh, there we go. Did you pass it? Hold your balance. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by cleaning up his floor. We have a lot of stuff that was left behind from when we were putting up pictures and that sort of thing. And I have a lot of little toys and flashcards that I brought from my classroom when I was a teacher that I need to put into the closet to get those off of the floor. So we're going to go ahead and do that now before I move on to the dresser. So all these blue baskets, if you have seen my previous videos, are from the downstairs
changing area that we had for Jacob. So I'm going to go ahead and put a lot of these things into these green baskets so I can put them onto the white shelf that you will see when you first walk into the room. I'm going to have a separate basket for his bibs, socks, receiving blankets, his shoes and slippers, as well as some other things that I want to keep separate from one another. I hate to say it, but a lot of these slippers I completely forgot that he had. Like for instance, these cowboy slippers I forgot that he had, but then again, they were way too big for his little tiny feet. But now that he's getting older, he can definitely wear them. So I'm gonna make sure to remember these when football season starts again. I know my husband will love to put those slippers on Jacob. Now this basket right here was kind of a catch-all basket that I had downstairs for a long time. It holds a lot of clothing that he outgrew, as well as some old pictures that I had from old picture frames, as well as swaddles that he outgrew. So this basket has a bunch of different things in it that I need to sort through as well. So for this tall chest of drawers, I'm going to go ahead and put all the swaddles in the top drawer that came from that catch-all basket, and then I'm just going to move down through each drawer and move the clothing that I had in the dresser over here, so I'll have space in the dresser for his most recent clothing that he is currently wearing. And I am so sad. As you can see, I'm kind of looking through and checking the month and size of each article of clothing, and I'm sad to say that quite a bit he did not even wear. A lot of it was either too small to begin with, because he is a rather large little guy, or it was just bought for the wrong season. I had bought some things for 3 months that would have been perfect for summer, but when he was 3 months, it was in the middle of winter. So unfortunately, some of the clothes that we had, he just was not able to wear. And as we go through, I'm going to go ahead and hold up for the camera for you to see some of my favorite outfits. A few seconds ago, I held up these little striped pants with Frankenstein on the bottom. I love that little outfit for him over Halloween, of course. It was super cute on him. I think the shirt said Mommy's Little Monster, and that one right there is a hot dog shirt that says I'm so handsome, and the pants that matched it were these adorable hot dog pants. Well, hot dog design pants. But yeah, a lot of the clothing was so cute. It's so hard to believe that he was really that small, and now he's gonna be 9 months and he's already wearing 12 to 18 month clothing. So now you're going to see me going back and taking some of the clothing that I just put into the drawers out. I decided to go ahead and take out the clothing that I really loved him in and that I want to keep. So I'm going to separate those because I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with these clothing. Most likely I'm going to sell them, but I want to make sure that the ones that mean the most to me get to stay, so I can keep those in like a memory box or something for him. Now this little onesie I'm definitely going to keep because this was a onesie that I surprised my husband with when I found out that we were having a little boy. So the last thing I'm going to be doing is going through these blue bins that are holding all of his clothing from downstairs and putting them into their drawers. I'm going to go ahead and put all of his tops and rompers into the top drawer. Under that, I'm going to go ahead and put all of his bottoms. I'm going to leave the bottom drawer open, and then the other top drawer, I'm going to go ahead and put all of his play suits and his pajamas. And then the clothing that is still a little too big for him will go in the middle drawer under that. I'm going to go ahead and take the extra blue bins and store them in the closet for now, but I'm also thinking about using them downstairs in my pantry, but I'm not too sure yet. I'm just going to go ahead and finish cleaning off the top of his dresser. At some point, I do want to move up his changing pad from downstairs up to here and 3M strip it to the top of this dresser so I can do all of his diaper changes up here and just use a portable changing pad downstairs. And this is what everything looks like, all put into his drawers. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you what is in all of the green bins. All these green bins hold his socks. There are his socks, his shoes, receiving blankets, extra bibs, all of his extra mittens and what are those, slippers. And then on the bottom, I have extra bed sheets for him as well as extra blankets. So here is another overview of his bedroom, his reading area, my rocking chair from when I was a baby. There he is playing in his crib and all of his stuffed animals. And like I said, I do want to do an official room tour for you at some point. Jacob! What you doing in there, bug? What you doing? You silly boy? Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys got some good organization motivation from this video, and I hope you guys watched all the way until the end. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And if you are not already subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and come back every week for new videos. I would love to have you. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate you guys watching my videos, and I will see you guys in a couple of days in a new video. Bye!